Hello kids, how are you? First we know about color name. Now let's start today. We learn about shape. Star shape, circle shape, heart shape, plus, arrow and pentagon shape. Shape arrow, shape plus, shape pentagon. We now draw star shape. Color yellow. Yellow color. We now draw our shape circle. Pink color. Shape circle, pink color. We now draw our heart shape. Heart shape, red color. Color red. We now draw our shape pentagon. Pentagon. Color parrot. We now draw our plus shape. Plus shape. Color brown. Brown color. We now draw our arrow shape. Shape arrow. Color purple. Purple color.